Welcome back. I got another banger for you guys. In this video, we're going to ride in a Land Cruiser limo, go watch Ultra 3 three-wheeler racing, and ride in a Jeep Wrangler 392 V8 for the first time. But mainly, we're going to have fun and explore what the nightlife is all about here at King of the Hammers, aka the Burning Man of off-road racing.
Dang, they're coming right for us. They're coming right for us. They're coming right for us. Hold on, so a limo, just pull on. I mean, my voice is gone. There's a limo. Hold on, is this a Land Cruiser limo? What the f is this? Dude, what the heck? It's got, but what the, Will, what did you just bring here?
Dude, that's the long cruiser.
It was like up
The long cruiser.
Yeah, so that's the long cruiser, so check it out. So it's an 80 series, but it's fully built out, and they built it out to be a limo in New York. And so the inside is like a straight flashback to the 1990s. Come check it out.
Get out of town! What the heck did you just bring here?
Look,
Dude,
look
no
at the
way.
inside.
No
Look
way.
at the inside.
No way.
Whoa, those are bright ass lights.
Yeah.
No! No! What? Wait, are we going to Chocolate Thunder in this?
Yes.
No way! Dude, yes, okay, we're ready.
Still bought it 10 years ago 11 years ago out of Texas. He did the bumper, the lift, the spark ball, the winch, 48s, and
What in the world?
and
You just never know. You just never know what's happening here.
like crisis. And bought it a year ago.
Okay, so I guess everyone's riding in this limo.
The car showed up. Yep.
And here we go.
Someone just showed up when I got out of the car.
It's a Land Cruiser limo.
Back it up.
Oh, back it up! What?
Back it up.
Holy, what the what? Look at it, it's so low. It's so low. Woo! Woo! You might have got some butt crack on that.
Switch spots with these. Yeah.
Oh, because of weight and such.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah.
All on one side.
Yeah, dude, you gotta
We need to
spread out.
spread the beauty.
Hold on, are these cups? Can we drink out of them? They look a little dusty. Hammertown dust. It's good luck. Oh, we don't have a driver yet. We got two people in the front. 2, 3. Jeremy makes 4,
Yeah,
5,
brothers.
6.
Straight out of the
7,
90s,
8.
running off of nothing but stripper glitter and. And I forget names, but I'll
Well, yeah.
riding in the Greyhound with the disco.
This is so weird.
So dope.
I don't understand that, why it's so smooth. How fast are we going? Dude.
20, we're going 20.
Dude, what? So we just came to Chocolate Thunder and this? Patrick, what the heck, dude? This thing's huge.
What?
This is the biggest thing.
Yeah, let's do that.
Somehow,
I've ever
I'm
ridden
the
it.
King of the Hammers, riding in a Lexus Land Cruiser up to Chocolate Thunder.
Limo, 4-wheel drive limo.
Sorry, yeah, limo Land Cruiser.
Sorry, the limo
Sorry,
part.
forgot
is-
that part.
Dude, I don't even, I don't know. We're trying to level right now so that we can like friggin' party in it and stuff.
Smoked them out.
Tonight is one of my favorite party nights at the big old RGB Spire. Ultra 3 racing, baby. Oh, dude, I think I got some in my Monster. Nah, fuck it. They put CR85 two-strokes in these things, man. I don't. You want the broccoli? Yeah, broccoli. It's probably good. Here we go. Ooh, thanks, man.
Hold on.
Did you just get the flamethrower remote?
Yeah.
Mayhem. Hold on, wait, so this is like a key fob? Hit that. You see the whole place light up. That is cool, man. Nice, dude. That's a drone up there. Yeah, hell yeah, dude. That's way cool, dude. That's way cool. Just too much fun. Three-wheelers, flamethrowers, drones, you know, all the stuff. Oh, he must have crashed on the other end there. Jeep Gladiator. Hey, I like your fenders. Generate fenders, I got them. Watching the races at the Monster booth. This is one of the nastiest vehicles I've ever seen. It's literally mean. It's like it's literally barking at you. And it's incredible.
Yeah, right?
Dang, brother, that looks like some nice pizza you got.
Woo, Dang Bros Pizza.
At the Nitto booth, and beer, of course. You guys excited for your pizza?
Pizza.
Oh, dang, brother, that's some nice pizza. Shotgun in 392?
Yeah, dude.
Dude, I'm down. Okay, 392 ride. We're here at Shift Pod Camp. And yeah, we got 392 ride. It's first time ever being in one. Wow. Really clean. It's way cleaner than mine. Is this what it looks like underneath?
Only for a pretty fancy. First month.
Anyways, here we go. You launching? No, dude! What? Oh my god! That's a Jeep. This is a Jeep,
I'm sorry, I can only hold it so still breathing.
dude! Dude, holy quick! That was so quick, dude.
That's quick.
That was so launch control. What'd you say? What'd you say?
So you just have to, you just have to hold the brake full down, then you mat the throttle, and then it like retards timing, and it adds like fuel or something. There's a bunch of gobbledygook, but then it allows you to launch.
Basically, from sitting to yabbity bow,
Yeah.
and we're mobbing.
Yeah.
This thing is definitely down to mob.
You can see it long.
Wow!
This wants to just pick its stuff up.
Oh my gosh!
And we got Kings, so get ready.
Literally, like, oh my gosh, dude! Oh my gosh!
I think that was
I can see how much work you're doing on the steering wheel. You're like, seriously, because it wants to move. It's just got so much power.
This was way smoother yesterday. What the
Oh man. Yeah, they put some dual piston nice brakes on this, huh? Wow.
We got it.
A little bit of blap for them. A little e-brake on in. You're down to mob. Down to mob. Dude, you stopped by camp earlier, and now we're ripping. This is Hammers, baby. This is how we go.
Clearly, Brett's down to mob, and I mean, everyone at Hammers is down to mob. That's why I love it so much. So thank you guys for watching. Comment your favorite part. Hit the like button if you enjoyed it. But really, the question is, are you down to mob?
Down to mob. Yes.